This is Rob from Boozer's Backwoods Chronicles with another episode. Today we're going to plant a couple of asparagus plants. Okay, so I've already planted one. Never planted, or shall I say transplanted, asparagus plants before, but the root system wasn't too bad in this, but there were a lot of roots in the bucket, but I wouldn't call it root bound yet. This one was getting pretty close to root bound, so I have taken it out of the bucket and I'm going to spread the roots out and bury them. So again, I'll dig kind of a big hole, but not necessarily a deep hole, and so I can spread them roots out and get them going. So let's get started. So I'm going to start by raking some of the mulch back so that I can get to the compost. That'll be pretty good. I'm going to dig down a little bit. I'll drop this guy in his hole. Trying to stay out of your way. Basically, I'm trying to fill all this void in here. I find it's better to do it with my hands. There's a big old long root here. I want to get it all covered up. Now I'm going to pack it down a little bit all the way around it. Make sure the roots are making good contact with the soil. Now I'm going to water it in a little bit. That ought to be good. I see an exposed root. I go ahead and create a trench for it and bury it. cover it up with mulch. Being careful not to bury them, which I've done, but we'll unbury them. Looking good. More water and we'll call it good. I basically chose asparagus because it's a perennial and it can actually continue providing you some food for, 20 years maybe. So anyway, I'm all for that. So hopefully this is much happier than in the container, and they'll be able to grow and produce some more asparagus. These are a couple of years old already, and they've been producing asparagus. These two branches right here started out as asparagus spears, and now they're ferns. Pretty much all of them did. So anyway, I recently had some asparagus pop up. I tried my best not to damage it, but a couple of them got broke on the trip here. So I had a little snack. But I didn't want to harvest them, but unfortunately they broke off on the trip, so figured I might as well eat them. Okay, well, that's it for the asparagus. Thanks for watching. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. And we'll see you on the next video.